So my name is Larry Gonzalez. I am the NSA Cadet Manager. So the best takeaway that I have in this workshop is the fast-changing technology that influence the education, or particularly in the maritime education. We should adapt as an institution so that we can develop a competent and skilled seafarers ready to join the maritime workforce, not only local but also international. And also another takeaway that I have is the transformational leadership that our instructor today shared to us. We should be a transformational leader so that we can influence other and our organization to be more proactive and more successful in training our future seafarers.
Chief Marine Engineer Tirso Puray from Bicol Merchant Marine College Incorporated, Sorsogon City. I am the president of this institution.
What's your best takeaway from this workshop, and why should others attend this kind of
Yeah, it's quite difficult because it's just a while that we have finished this seminar. So it's very important for leaders because it deals with how leaders should act in the operation of an organization. So I think I recommend it that this will be brought to my institution someday, so that each and every one of us will be developed for maybe when I'm gone, they will be my successors. That's all, I think. Ano pa bang masasabi ko? Napakaganda ng deliberation, maganda yung interactions, and that's the way I like it. No? Maganda, lively, hindi boring. I think dahil din sa nag-deliver, ano? So I like him. Maybe someday I will, during our faculty development, kukunin ko siya. Yun lang. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Marilisa Jimenez Ampuan. I'm the president of Mariners Polytechnic Colleges Foundation, Canacman, Camarines Sur, from Bicol region. So, I was inspired of the talks, no, and the sharing of our speaker, and the transformational leadership is a very important topic that we have to dwell and reflect and think about, that how we will be able to empower our teachers, our educators in the institution. And what are all these key takeaways? First, that we will have to consider that there should be a higher engagement, commitment, as well as the awareness, no, of our educators. Increase innovation also, and we will have also to be able to better understand, no, our learners, no, who are our students. And most importantly, we are also developing future leaders here, our educators, to be empowered, no, so that they will have a better quality education, but quality delivery of teaching to our learners.